I like to struggle, struggle. I like to struggle, struggle. I like to struggle, struggle. You like to watch me struggle. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 0304 Tundra that we are going to be replacing some exhaust components. Which ones? Well, that one don't look good, which is the driver's side cat. Passenger side cat has been replaced before, so we're going to attempt to save it. And we're going to replace that Y pipe and muffler. We got the brand new parts right there. So let's get into it. I'm gonna have to put some heat on that. Well, I guess that hardware does still hold. Okay, we'll cut it out. And yes, safety goggles are on. So something really interesting, I was whiz-wheeling this side, but then I took the air chisel and I split it, and I didn't even touch this side and it came apart. So I guess I was working on the wrong side. I was working on the wrong nuts. Oh no. I like to struggle, struggle. I like to struggle, struggle. I like to struggle, struggle. You like to watch me struggle. I know there are better tools for this. I'll get them one day. Alright, the pipe is out. Now we're going to prep everything for installation of the new one. First I'm going to see what time it is. It might be lunchtime, but yeah. We're going to prep this whole area, get this old gasket out of here. Oh, very good. We gotta go in sideways. And then rotate. Right there. And we already got our gasket on. So that's gonna go right there. Very good. Alright guys, we got the driver's side pipe just fitted up loosely. We got it on the hanger right there. Now we have a new gasket here, we got a new gasket here, and we are ready to install the center muffler. And yeah, we got our hanger installed here loosely. We got grease everywhere, so if we need to maneuver, we can maneuver. Very good. Oh, what did I do with my... Oh, I left my hardware on the toolbox. Great. All aboard? Oh, sh**. So, we have a problem here. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. But then when we get up to here... Oh, sh**. Well guys, they got me the proper length pipe this time, which is good, but we ran into a little issue to where this diameter of the original one is a little wider than the aftermarket one. So now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get a little tricky here. We're going to get a little tricky with some muffler cement. Let's get that pipe up. You got this pipe up loose. This pipe is still all mounted. New hardware, new gasket, new hardware, new gasket. Now, what we had to do here is we put a layer of muffler cement before we installed the gasket. Then we install the gasket, and then we put another light layer of muffler cement. So we're all going to see if this fits properly or not. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's a loose connection. So what we did was, it's freaking too many people talking. Alright guys, so what I did here was, we put some muffler cement within the groove there and over here. And we're gonna put that in there. Oh, then we're gonna close it. Very good, and you tighten this up to the point where that guy right there touches. So now that we have the exhaust all fully bolted up, we're installing our O2 sensors. This guy right here went in fine. As you can see, gasket's there. Studs are a little long, but it installed fine. Now let's go to this side. I don't have a gasket there because I want to show you. This is why I like to use OEM equipment. Let's look in the hole. There's a bunch of swarf on one side of that hole that's hindering this little stepped edge from stepping down all the way. Beautiful. Alright, I hope this works. Well, I better use two hands. It's fighting a lot of Gugats in there. Alright, let's give it a try, guys. Let's see, did I get a first try? Well, second try really, but... Alright, very good. That's what it's supposed to do. Now let's get the gasket in there and install this properly. Well, alright guys, you see what we had to deal with here. O2 sensor wouldn't hold whatsoever. Here's a different stage of it. It's still holding, but it's about to not be holding. As you can see, the flanges are all Gugats also. Now, the car, what we had to do, we replaced this guy, but you saw what we had to do with the muffler cement in order for it to fit properly. We have a good, secure fit there. New gasket, new hardware here. We saw what we had to do with the hole in here. We had to ream it out, giggity. But now our O2 sensor's fitting nicely. O2 sensor's fitting nicely. We're all mounted up there. We didn't have to touch this pipe. We have new hardware there. We're very good, guys. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. And where you can, please use OEM equipment. Contact. Started right up just fine, and it sounds really good. Very good, guys. Very good.